First, remove the transfer, which is the same as used previously. Next, remove the transfer case adapter. Incorporated in the case is the parking mechanism. Open the snap ring and, using a puller, remove the parking gear. Because of its shrink-fit installation, the gear has to be warmed up to 160 to 180 degrees Celsius when reinstalling it. Then take off all outer parts: the control lever, neutral position switch, and the input and output shaft sensors. Remove the mounting bolts and then the oil pan using special tool MD 998127. Take care not to damage the mounting surface. Lift the transmission to separate the transmission housing and oil pan. To prevent dirt from getting into the transmission, never turn it over before the oil pan has been removed. Remove the oil filter. Take out the oil temperature sensor and detent spring. Next, disconnect the wiring harness. To take out the valve body, only the gold-coloured bolts have to be removed. Don't forget the O-ring. Now, take out the two oil seals and the strainer. Remove each accumulator piston with seal rings and springs.
Now they see me winning, so they wanna fuck